Moringa powder health benefits. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring the incredible health benefits of Moringa powder, a superfood that's been gaining a lot of attention lately. Ready to learn more? Let's jump in. What is Moringa powder? Moringa powder is made from the dried leaves of the Moringa tree, also known as the miracle tree. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it one of the most nutrient-dense plants on the planet. Moringa powder health benefits. 1. Rich in nutrients. Moringa powder is a powerhouse of nutrients. It contains high levels of vitamins A and C, calcium, iron, and protein. Just a small amount can give your body a significant nutrient boost. 2. Boosts immunity. One of the key benefits of Moringa powder is its ability to boost your immune system. Thanks to its high vitamin C content and powerful antioxidants, Moringa helps protect your body from infections and illnesses. 3. Supports digestion. If you struggle with digestion, Moringa powder can be a natural remedy. It's rich in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut. Plus, it has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe the digestive tract. 4. Energy booster. Looking for a natural energy boost? Moringa powder can help. Its rich nutrient profile supports sustained energy levels throughout the day, without the crash that comes from caffeine or sugar. 5. Supports skin and hair health. Moringa isn't just good for your insides, it's great for your skin and hair too. Its vitamins and antioxidants can promote healthy, glowing skin and strengthen your hair from the roots. So there you have it. Moringa powder is a versatile superfood that can enhance your health in so many ways. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips. See you in the next video.